So last Friday I was planning to put this video inside my how I film my acting videos, but it was just too long, so I decided to just make a whole new Friday video for you guys. So here is a small unboxing of a small little ring light that I got to help with my videos, so check it out. Okay, to be honest, I was waiting for this delivery for a very long time. I thought it was going to come like 12ish, but it ended up coming at like 4:30. When I first got it, I was scared because I saw that it was really small, the box, and I didn't want it to be like a purchase that I have to, go return, because who wants to do that? That's just long. But yeah, that's just me looking around. I was sitting with my dad over there, so that's why I'm not really like talking, because he was watching the news. But I had to film the unboxing, so here we are. There's me opening it. Taking it out. Still, I was a bit hesitant, like looking at it. At this point, I got really scared because I couldn't figure out where the tripod was, because my niece who recommended it, I saw her tripod and I was like, well, where the hell is the tripod for this one? So I'm trying to figure out where the tripod is. I'm just trying to see how this thing works, and I kept on pressing the button because there was a remote there to see if the light would turn on. It wouldn't, so then I just played around and found the tripod eventually, thank God. And then I figured out that to turn on the light you actually had to press the button that's like on the ring light. But yeah, so this is me finally relieved. Charge it, but you can extend this, make it longer. Actually, that's not something to make it longer. I don't. That was just to move the ring light, like to position it. But yeah, this is still me trying to figure out how long the ring light extends to, which I didn't realize how long it could go until I spoke to my niece, which you will see later in the video. Here's me just being so amazed by the lighting because it was phenomenal, and I definitely would recommend for beginner YouTubers. Here's just me playing around, and now I'm gonna let my video talk. Clearly I hadn't seen good lighting in a while, that's why I'm so shocked. Okay, so this is the inbuilt, this the other way. So I found out that the remote was actually a Bluetooth device thing that you could take pictures with without like holding the ring light or whatever, so you could position it and just click with the button to take your pictures. So yeah. There's a little button over here, you need to press it. Oh, I think that's the brightest setting. Okay, and then to change it you can use a remote, or you can do this. Oh, isn't that so good, guys? Like, oh my god, my videos quality is gonna be crazy. Definitely worth the purchase. Okay, and you can also put your phone over here. So you see this? I'm gonna put my phone in it. This is with just like an intermediate level of the light. Now we're gonna do the different versions with my face. Definitely worth the purchase. This was only £20. I will leave it linked in the description below if you want to buy it for yourself. Let's try the remote because I don't really know how to use this. Oh, turned on. Okay, I haven't used the remote before, so you need to hold the button down like the main switch. Okay, let's try it now. Which way is it? And you can also switch it. Oh, let me just push my phone a little up. Then we can have landscape. I think good purchase, guys. Okay, guys. I was talking to my niece about just the light, and she told me that it actually extends even bigger than I thought. Okay, so look, it is definitely pretty tall, and the good thing is that this is a tripod, so I could use. My one critique about this item would be the tripod sturdiness isn't as sturdy as I'd like, but I mean it's £20, so it's reasonable, and it does the job. Guys, so I just plugged it into charge, but this is really unique how they designed the whole charging thing. I just plugged in and it looks like this bit's like hair. Like, you know when someone's hair and the thing goes red? It looks like that. Like, that's just so cool and unique. So just wanted to show you guys that. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials down below. Have a wonderful day and I will see you guys very soon.